feel lonely in this world? I felt the same way when I was poor. But now I feel free and happy. Do you want to change as well? Then watch this video till the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. So let's start our trade. Today we are going to accelerate our deposit from $100. I will open trade on the minute time frame. Today we have market OTC, which means large percentage on each currency pairs. Why not trade? Let's start selecting indicators. Today we'll have a Bollinger Bands and we will have 2 RSI. We need to make a setting. Bollinger Bands, period 13, deviation 10, 2. And let's change the visualization of this indicator. Next, we customize our RSI oscillators. We will have one with period 5. We leave the overbought and oversold area at 70 and 30. We don't change anything more. The second RSI will have with period 10. Also the area of oversold and overbought we don't change. We will play off the extreme points, that is local highs and lows. Also technical analysis will be present on our trade actually. Let's get started. In the course of my trade, you will understand how to work with this strategy, and let's choose the first currency pair. Here we are going to open a down trade. We found a good entry right away. A new local high is being formed. The upper moving line is being touched at this point. When we have a touch of the upper moving line, we open a down trade. When this happens, we see an exit from the overbought area on the RSI oscillator, and therefore, in this case, it's better to open the deal on the downside. That is, the basic principle of trading will be like this. When we touch the lower moving line, we will open a deal on the upside. But we will not do it immediately. But we need to watch on our oscillators and then the oversold or overbought area. Respectively, now we have touched the upper moving, the exit from the overbought area, and therefore the deal is closed in plus, and we open the deal on the downside. The principle of trading I'll explain. I will consider several entries into the deal. Let's proceed to the next analysis of the currency pair and open a trade on the upside. Let's pick up the following currency pair. This is where I would also open a trade up. We still have a good touch point here. We had a touch of the lower moving line here. We had an exit from the oversold area here. Upward dynamics, so we open on the trend. We see the price correction. In general, opening on the trend is always a good sign. And if you are a beginner, you should always open on the trend. Don't look for possible pullbacks and corrections. It complicates trading. And for you to learn faster, to do better, open like this. We have several seconds left. Let's watch our trade. And the next trade closes again in the plus side without any problems. We didn't have our signal here, yes, but we opened on the trend. In general, I was sure that the dynamics will go up. Let's now open up again on the upside. I'll try to find a clear signal. Let's pick up the next currency pair. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Let's open a trade up here. I will wait for the price correction. We have a perfect touch point with the support area. This is clear signal to open a trade on the upside. Touching the lower moving after good downward dynamics. Then the exit from the oversold area on both oscillator. Respectively, the deal is open on the upside. As I said, we all do, as I said in the beginning. The principle of trading will be really the same. So, to emphasize the result, I'm going to try to open the most reliable trades, so that you understand how to enter trades correctly. And the next trade we have closed in the plus. No problems again. Change the amount of the value of the transaction, continue trading, and pick up the next currency pair. Open a trade on the downside now. Let's open a down trade right here. We've got a great touch point here. We can see that we have had a very strong move up over the last leg. We can see the upper moving line touching. Then we have a resistance area at this level, and we see the exit here. We are touching the overbought area, and this is where the exit should be. So let's watch it. Several seconds left to close our trade, guys. As you can see, we have closed the trade again in plus. Here we were also above the resistance area. We had a good, very good entry point. Let's open now a trade on the upside. Two trades for the amount of $660. And let's pick up the following currency pair. I will probably still open two trades better on the downside. Again, let's consolidate the result of the opening. Also, we have a good resistance area here at this price level. We can see how we have the dynamics of the movement going down. Here we also have a touch of the upper moving indicator, then the exit from the overbought area on both oscillators. In general, the same entry point, the same principle of entering the deal. Let's watch the result. We have a pullback here, but I think the move should still go down. Let's watch our trades. And the next trades we have also closed in plus without any problems. That's absolutely the same entry point we had here. We close the trade in the plus without any problems. Let's open a trade on the upside now and pick up the following currency pair. Let's open two trades here on the upside bet. I'm going to explain to you now why it's better to open a trade here on the upside. We're in the process of recovering the upward momentum after this price correction. So this candle, we have already lost the pullback here. It's better now not to open a down trade here, as we will continue the upward dynamics. Let's observe, guys, let's observe. You see, and we have another trade closes in plus. That is why I said yes, let's wait for the upward dynamics. Look here, we need technical analysis. I will explain a little bit the principle of entry earlier. The movement has gone down and formed a global price minimum, and there is recovery of the dynamics of the movement. And if we look at this section of the movement, we see that the corrections on it are in weak nature, and by the dynamics of RSI we see the upward direction. That's why we open on the trend and the deal is closed in plus. Also such a nuance. Always stick to the technical analysis. It is actually much more stronger than any indicator. And let's open a trade for the amount of $4,000 and pick up the following currency pair to consolidate our result. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Yeah, this is where I'm going to open the trade up. Let's highlight the walking area. We're back to technical analysis. We've got a good touch point. We can see that the trend has reversed. The momentum is going down. Also, the lower moving Bollinger Band touch, and then we see the lower RSI coming out of the oversold area, and on the upper one we see the upward dynamics. That's why our closing trades are reopened on the upside. We have several seconds left to complete the trade. Let's watch the result. The last seconds and the trades are closing in the plus side without any problems. This is such a great result we got today. From $100 we made 8,000 on a very simple and easy to learn strategy. Let's move on to the conclusion. Choose a wallet, we will have $8,000, guys. And the operation is successfully executed. This is how interesting trading turned out today on the OTC market. With the help of this strategy, this simple strategy, guys. Use it and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Write comments, put likes. Be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.